Hi everybody, it's me Sissy, and today I have a really quick and easy Dollar Tree Easter craft. We're going to use the little bunny butt and put him in a pot with some carrots. So let's get started. I'm going to show you what supplies we're going to use today. I'm going to use the little cottontail bunny tail pick, they call it, pot from Dollar Tree. I couldn't find any of the twine carrots, so we're going to make some out of this t-shirt that I got at Dollar Tree. Some green ribbons. Let's see. Some popsicle sticks. We're going to make a little sign using the popsicle sticks. Some white cardstock. We're going to form our carrots out of these and then cover them with the orange material. And I've got some ribbon and some floral foam, some green ribbon to tie our carrots off with, and then in our pot, this is not Dollar Tree, but you can use the green moss. I'm just going to recycle some of this brown crinkle stuff that came in a gift. So, and then I made a little decal to go on my sign that's going to go in the pot. So let's get started and make our carrots first. So I'm just going to take this t-shirt that I got at Dollar Tree, and we're going to cut it into strips to cover our carrots with. So I'm just going to take it, fold it in half, and I have a pair of pinking shears that I'm going to cut it with. You can, just cut it into strips with regular scissors. You could use orange crepe paper streamers from the Dollar Tree also. I'm going to see if I can fold it in half and cut it. That'll make it quicker to cut my strips. Okay, so we've got all our strips cut. Now I've got a piece of cardstock, and this is 7 inches by 8.5. So I'm just going to take it and kind of just roll it up and kind of form it into, that carrot shape. Into just a cone. So yeah. Put a little hot glue there. And then I'm just going to take some scissors. I'm going to cut off the top a little bit. And then we're just going to cover this with our strip of material. I'm not worrying so much about the point because it's going to be down in the paper shreds, which is going to be kind of like my dirt. What's the matter, Pup? Mommy's not paying attention to you? I'm sorry. Okay, and we're just going to wrap it around, and you can secure it every now and again with some hot glue. Okay, when we get close to the top up here, I'm just going to fold it in just a little bit. And when I stretch my t-shirt material, it's going to kind of close up around it. And that'll leave us a spot to put our ribbon carrot fronds on. So I'll put a drop of glue right here. And then we can just take that and kind of push it in. So there's our carrot shape. And then we're going to take these ribbons from Dollar Tree. And I just pulled it off the card and I left the staple that's in it. I'm just going to cut a couple of them off. Okay. So I got like 3 strands. It's okay, Papa. Then we're just going to take the string that I had. I'm just going to tie it around. And then we're just going to take it and kind of poke it down in there, and there we have our carrot. I'm going to put some hot glue on it. Oh, my glue gun don't want to cooperate. There we go. Then we'll just take our ribbon, push it down in there, and we have our carrots. So I'm just going to make a few more of those, and then we'll get to putting our pot together. We've got our carrots made. Now we're going to work on our little sign. I'm going to use 3 popsicle sticks. These are the larger ones, and I'm just going to glue them together to make a little sign. Let me adjust the camera so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, I'm just going to take my 3 popsicle sticks, lay them down side by side. Then I have 2 of the smaller popsicle sticks. So let's see, we need to cut these in half. Oops. Okay, so we're just going to hold those down together. Put a little bit of hot glue. It's okay, Pup-Ups. It's okay. It's just the mailman. Okay, then we're just going to do another one over here. And then we're going to take a long one and put it in the middle for our signpost. And you can use wood glue for this. Hot glue, I don't know about E6000, but, and you can trim these off. I made them, they were a little too long, but I'm going to cut those down. And then if you want to, you can put 3 more popsicle sticks on the back, so it'll be nice and clean and neat looking, but you're not going to see the back. But okay, we'll do that. And then I'm just going to do a little bit of watered down brown paint on it to make it look weathered, and then we'll put our decal on. Okay, so I painted my little sign off screen and it's nice and dry. So now I made a little decal that says carrots 5 cents with white vinyl on my Cricut, and we're just going to put that on our sign. And you can write this on here with a paint pen or a marker. My handwriting is terrible, and I found this cute little font, so I just made this real quick with my Cricut. Okay, so then we have our little sign, carrots, 5 cents. There we go. Now we're going to go ahead and fix our pot. I have a little piece of floral foam that we're just going to glue down in the bottom. That's it, y'all. That is a quick and easy Dollar Tree Easter table decoration with a little bunny in the carrot patch stealing the carrots. It would be a lot easier if I could have found the carrots from Dollar Tree, but I just didn't see any. And this was a really good way to use up that orange t-shirt, or you could use orange crepe paper, but I think it is really cute, and I'm going to put it on my table. So remember, if Sissy can do it, you can do it too. So get out there and craft a life you love. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.